Okay, I have a 3500 Ram Dually 2013, and that's how much I idle. I have 4,024 hours idling and 1,489 actually driving. Well, the thing is that the truck, when I'm driving, it lost all power already. I cannot even pull a trailer because I won't even go over 40 miles an hour. And right now I can show you what I mean. Okay, right now, as you can see, I'm going 20 miles an hour, and I'm gonna floor it so I can get into the expressway, Merchington. Right now I'm flooring it all the way down. I have no power. Right now I have all the zero power. I mean, it'll get up to speed eventually, but it's not very good, and it feels like the gears take too long to get in. Going on 70, I'm gonna have to let the accelerator go, and then we got another gear right there. Does anybody know what the problem is? Does anybody that drives these Ram trucks, diesel, have an idea how this problem can be fixed, or it has to be taken to the dealership? Thank you guys. Let me know if you had this problem too.